Digestive system. Food gives us energy which we need to work and play. It contains useful substances called nutrients. Most of the food we eat enters our system in the form of large molecules. The digestive system breaks these down into smaller molecules using a variety of special juices. The digested food is then distributed to various parts of our body through the circulatory system. Any undigested food is passed out of the body. So, let's see the journey of food through our body. During an average lifetime, a person can eat around 30 tons of food, that is 1.36 kg a day.
Food is changed by the organs
Firstly,
into a soluble form to be
our
absorbed
teeth
by the
crunch,
body.
bite,
Food
and
in the
mash
mouth
up the
is mixed
food
with saliva.
when we put it in our mouth.
Saliva
Most people have a set of 32
in
teeth.
digestion. Food is
Teeth
changed by
are
the organs
coated
into
with
a
a
soluble
substance
form to be
called
absorbed by
enamel,
the body.
which is the hardest
Food in the mouth
substance
is mixed
in
with
the
saliva.
human body. The
Saliva
first
begins
juice
to dissolve the
that
food as
food
the tin
encounters
digestion.
when
Food
it
is changed
enters
by
the
the
mouth
organs
is
into a
saliva.
soluble form to be absorbed
It
by the body.
moistens the food
Food in the
and
mouth
makes
is
it
mixed with
easier
saliva.
to
The
break
larynx
down
stimulates
and
the
pass
swallowing
through the
reflex.
throat
Begins to dissolve the
easily.
food. The larynx is pulled upwards
Once the
to meet
food
the
is
epiglottis
broken
and
into
seal it.
smaller
It
and
back
smoother
into the throat.
pieces,
Food goes from the
it
pharynx
is
by the
squeezed down
esophagus.
to the food pipe
Food moves in the
or
larynx,
the
stimulates by
esophagus.
swallowing reflex. The
Muscles
peristaltic
in the
larynx
esophagus
upward
wall
to meet the
contract
epiglottis and seal
behind
it.
the
Food
food
enters the
to
stomach.
push it
Food
down.
goes from the pharynx
The unique
to the
This
esophagus
movement
structure of
is
the stomach
called
breaks up the food into
peristaltic
small
movement.
pieces called chyme.
The journey down the
Digestive
food
peristaltic
pipe
line
takes
changed by
about
the
5
organs into
seconds.
soluble form to the duodenum.
Once
enters
the
small
11-inch long food
The
pipe
unique
pushes
mode of
down
absorption of
the
absorption
food to the
digests
stomach,
food into
a
small pieces
dramatic
called
reaction gets
The
triggered in the
mucosa
stomach.
extends through the pyloric
Every
sphincter
mouthful
into the
provokes a
duodenum and the
tornado
small intestine. This
of
completes
gastric
the chemical
juices
major portion of
and a
absorption and
compression of
digestion
stomach
occurs
walls.
in the walls are covered
This
with
breaks
villi,
down
where
the
nutrient
food
absorption
into
mucosa
nutrients
secrete
that
enzymes
will
that
pass
supplement the digestive
through the blood.
structure of the pancreas contains
Stomach is a
capillaries and
sac-like
lacteal
structure
chemical process of
with
digesting
strong
nutrients.
muscular walls.
The walls
These
are covered with
contract
villi, where
to
nutrient
continue
portions are now
the process
transported by
of mashing the
blood to
food
all the
up.
cells of the body. The structure
At
of
the
each
same
villus
time,
contains the
gastric
capillaries and
juices
lacteal that
like
ileocecal
hydrochloric
valve enters the
acid
large
and
intestine.
pepsin,
Food is
etc.
changed by the
break down the
organs into
food
soluble
into
form
smaller
and absorbed by
molecules.
the vitamin to all the cells of the
In the
body.
stomach,
And forms and
food
expels
is
the
stored for a
undigested
few
food
hours
reaches the ileocecal
and gets
valve,
churned up
enters the
and
large
partially
intestine into the
digested.
rectum, which stimulates
The
the
main
colon
digestion
absorbs water,
takes place
manufactures
in the
vitamins,
small
produces
intestine.
mucus, and forms
An
and expels
average-sized
feces.
man eats about 33
Mass
tons of
peristalsis
food
pushes the feces
in his
into the rectum,
lifetime,
which
or
stimulates
about
the
the weight
defecation
of
reflex.
6 elephants. Intestine and liver. After leaving the stomach, broken down food enters the small intestine. We have two intestines, one small and one large. Along with the liver, they complete the process of digestion. Digestion begins in the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and are distributed to the liver and around the body. Useful leftovers such as water are absorbed in the large intestine. Waste is then passed out of the body. Let us see how these organs work. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long, narrow tube about 6 meters in length. It is called small because of its narrowness. Here, food molecules are broken down further by more digestive juices. This process continues until the digested nutrients are small enough to pass through the tube's lining. The nutrients seep into the blood that flows through the lining. Most of these are carried to the liver, where they are processed, stored, and distributed to various parts of the body. Large intestine. The food molecules that are not absorbed in the small intestine pass into the large intestine. Bacteria present in this intestine kills any potentially harmful substances. Food is not digested here, but water is absorbed into the bloodstream. The leftover material, called fecus, is passed out of the body through anus. Liver. The liver is the largest glandular organ of the body. The adult human liver is the second largest organ in the human body, weighing about 1.0 to 2.5 kilograms. It is reddish brown in color and is divided into 4 lobes of unequal size and shape. The liver lies on the right side of the abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm. Blood is carried to the liver via 2 large vessels called the hepatic artery and the portal vein. The hepatic artery carries oxygen-rich blood from the aorta. The portal vein carries blood containing digested food from the small intestine. These blood vessels subdivide in the liver repeatedly, terminating in very small capillaries. Each capillary leads to a lobule. Liver tissue is composed of thousands of lobules, and each lobule is made up of hepatic cells, the basic metabolic cells of the liver. You will be surprised to know that liver is the only organ that can grow back even if it is cut down to half its size. Liver performs more than 500 tasks. Some of the functions are to produce substances that break down fats, convert glucose to glycogen, produce urea, make certain amino acids, filter harmful substances from the blood, storage of vitamins and minerals, and maintain a proper level of glucose in the blood. The liver is also responsible for producing cholesterol. It produces about 80% of the cholesterol in your body.